Hey guys, Fletch from All Things Overlanding here. On today's 3-Minute Thursday, we're going to be talking about a really cool product. It's actually one that I've owned 2 or 3 of, mainly because I've lost them. But don't let that deter you. It's a super sweet flashlight, so if you want to hear more about that, stay tuned. Alright guys, so as I mentioned, on today's 3-Minute Thursday, we're going to be talking about a really cool product. It is the Ecogear FX E300 tiny little minuscule flashlight. The cool thing about this is, again, I've owned several of these. I've loved every one of them. I've never gotten rid of one intentionally. What's happened is I ended up, maybe having a beer or two too much in a night, and then the next morning I woke up and I was like, where did I put that flashlight? No idea, and I never found it again. So don't do that. Learn from my mistakes. And be responsible with your flashlights, because these things are awesome. They're also super inexpensive though, so if you do lose them, it's fine. You can actually buy a 3-pack of these on Amazon for about 17 bucks. And I would wholeheartedly say that they are totally worth that money. They're made of aircraft grade aluminum, so they're super sturdy and strong. They're beautiful looking flashlights. They look super aggressive. They've got a nice little clip on them, so you can clip them and hopefully not lose them, in your pants pocket or wherever, your backpack. I attach it actually to my Molly panels, and recently I actually got a little Smitty built flashlight Velcro Molly pack that I've attached to my backpack, where I just keep this thing so that I don't lose it. Hopefully that's the thought. So the cool thing about this light, and something that most people may not know, and I'll show you kind of back here behind me, is there's actually 3 modes to it. So if you didn't know any better, you would just think there's this one button on the back here, right? So you just click it and it turns on, you click it and it turns off. So let's go through a couple features here. So right now I've got it on and it's pretty zoomed out, right? So if you pull on the body of it, it actually will zoom into like a pinpoint light. So if you want to get that max distance and you want to get light, thrown far afield, that's what you want to do. If you squeeze it in, it gives you a wider range of light. And you would think, okay, that's it. That's cool, right? But that's it. It does have this really cool sort of design to the top of it, and this sort of projector-esque type lens on it, which helps you throw that light. Here's the secret, though. Here's the things that most people don't know. So I'm going to turn this on again, right? I'm going to zoom it down to like midway. So we've got like a fairly concentrated beam. If you soft press this, so if you don't press it all the way in until it clicks, you have 3 different modes with this flashlight. So you have dim, and then you have a strobe mode, and then you have your regular high beam. So high beam, dim, strobe. Now, I don't know what strobe is for. No one uses strobe. Flashlight companies stop making strobe. It doesn't make any sense. But the high beam and the low beam are good because then it can change your battery life. The nice thing about this flashlight is it runs off of a single AA battery, and you can use rechargeable batteries in it too. So I'm not quite that fancy. I'm not quite that cool yet, so I just have a single AA battery in it. But I mean, I've used this specific one, I have not lost for probably a year. And I've used it every single camp out. I use it to, make bathroom trips. I use it to go look for firewood once it gets dark. My kids use it. We use it quite a bit. So off the single AA battery, still running, right? So, again, want to keep this short, but this thing is great. I will put a link down in the description below to the 3-pack of these things. Buy 3 of them. Put one in your car, put one on your shelf for everyday carry, put it with your keys and your knives or whatever you carry every day, just in case, and then have one in a drawer somewhere in your house so that you've got one of these things just in case. But again, these things are great. Highly recommend them. If you like this video, if this is helpful to you, please click the like button down below. Please comment. Let me know if you have other flashlights that are similar. I'm sure there are other knockoffs of these or things that may be better priced or have slightly more features. Please comment down below and let me know what you think of this and what you might have as a suggestion for people looking for a flashlight like this. And if you don't already, please click subscribe. Follow the channel. I do a weekly gear review. I also do a weekly vlog / podcast. So I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook, I'm on all the major podcast channels. I'm on Patreon, so I'd love to, engage with you guys however you want to engage with me. So please click below, click like, click subscribe, leave a comment, follow me on other places. If you have questions, post those up as well. But most importantly, thank you guys for stopping by. Thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a great one. Get out there, live, learn, discover, and explore. Take care.